Hopefully you've been saving your money because there's a lot of sales going on in the 3D printing world this week. Biggest one, I think the one I'm most excited about is the Bambu Labs sale that's going on right now. But we do have a couple pre-order sales that promise to be pretty fruitful as well. So let's check them out. First one I want to look at here. Creality K2 Plus Combo, which is the new Creality entry into the multicolor printing. So my understanding is that the first 200 of these units that go out are going to be 50% off. So instead of $1,500, you're going to be paying $750 for it, plus taxes and all that good stuff. Pre-sale goes live. Pre-sale goes live on the Wednesday the 5th at 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, I believe is what it is, EDT. So for me, that is 6 a.m. I'm not super huge on Creality products in the first place, so I'm probably not going to bother waking up that early to spend money on this one. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. The next one is already an active pre-order. The FLSUN S1. Now this is a large printer. You got to make sure that you've got plenty of space for it. It is completely enclosed, but this thing goes fast. So max speed of 1200 millimeters a second. Guys, that's quick. That is very fast. Max acceleration, 40,000 millimeters per second. I want to say the Bambu's top speed is like 25,000, something like that. So this thing's going to go very quick. Print size is, I want to make sure that I get this right. Alright, these are all of the features that you've got. So guys, this is going to have a lot of stuff with it. So build volume is, it looks like 320 by 320 by 320. So that's going to be large. The actual product itself is 550 by 595 by 1030. So this thing's going to take up a lot of space. And it's going to be tall as well. You probably are just going to have this thing on the floor if you end up getting one. But this is cool. I haven't looked too much into this, so looks like we've got filament detection, clog detection, vibration compensation, auto leveling, first layer detection, accuracy calibration, flow calibration, debris detection, spaghetti detection. That is awesome. Now, you're going to be paying a good little chunk for this. I want to say for the pre-order is $1,200, something like that. Let's pull this up. Man, that's fun to watch though, huh? So the build plate is 320 and it's a circle. That makes sense. So $1,300 for this guy if you get the pre-order. Tax is included. Ooh. So that's $200 off what it's going to be normally. That's not bad. So let me know which one of these, if any, you want to be picking up. K2, not my jam. Creality, just in general, not my thing, but I know a lot of people out there are excited for this one. And honestly, if you can get in quick enough and be one of the first 200, get that 50% off. I want to say that they've got a de-escalating level. So if you're not one of the first 200, you might get 40% off or 30% off, something like that. Either way, You guys want to get in on this as soon as possible. I will have a link for that down below. Um, if you're happy that I gave you the news, go ahead and throw me a like. Now, the most important sale is going to be Bambu Lab. Just go to bambulab.com and check this one out. Starts on the 5th. It's going to be worth it, guys. $199 for an A1 mini, $339 for a regular A1, $599, I believe, for a P1S, and I want to say $12.99 for the X1C combo. Getting at least one of those. Almost 100% certain on it. Check it out, guys. Like I said with the FLSUN, this one's already live. Go get it, guys. I honestly, I don't have the room for it. I might be able to fit it in over there, maybe in the corner over there. I just don't have I don't have the room for it right now. I've got a new printer that I'm actually working on the review for it right now. We're doing a first run on it. That is the Infomec. And then I have my first pre-order, which is that Anycubic Cobra 3 is going to be hopefully showing up any day now. So we don't have room, guys. Let me know if you're going to be picking up one of these. I really want to get one of these FLSUNs. Let me know if you get one. I want to see it in action. All right, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Links for both of these are going to be down in the description and in the comments below. Go pick one up. I don't think you're going to be upset about it either way. All right, guys. Bye.